So these are the things that I bought at Homegoods. I'm displeased a little bit because what happened was okay, so this one, it's really nice. This is going to be the coffee container and then the sugar container type of thing. So when I saw this one in there, it was like this, and then there's something inside, and then but the problem with this one, so it's really nice, it's cute, I love it, it's bamboo on top. But the problem with this too is that I thought it's going to be built as together, as a set. But the lady said it's not. And now it doesn't even have the price. The price of it, she just put that one in as I went there. Because when I went to cash register, they don't have a price for both. So and then she went to the lady, to the manager, and then they compare it to another something like this, because I saw them behind the scenes, and then she got something like this and something like this, because these are the things that's just there that's left. So I bought both of it because I bought two sets. So one set in here and one set here. I thought it's going to be the same. So anyways, and then she put the price. This one is $9.99 and then this one is $6.99. So total around 40 for both. I'm not expecting that. I think there's something wrong with it. I'm kind of like, I'm not pleased a little bit with what had happened. But yeah, so I got 4 of these. This is really nice. It's cute. Don't get me wrong. It's $40. It's nothing really. But the thing is, I would kind of like expect it to like $20 or $30. But do you think that I got ripped up or what? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go online to check how much is this, or I'm going to go to another Homegoods, because these are the ones that's left there in this particular Homegoods in Isabel where I live. And then so I'm going to go to another Homegoods and then check it out, if there's anything like this, and then compare the price. If that one is like not the same price as this one, I'm going to return this. So yeah, but anyway, on the good side, so in that particular bathroom, I'm kind of like thinking of white. So I found this one, and it comes with a sponge. So I think I'm gonna use this one in here instead. So this one is $5.99. See, that should be the price, not like that. Not like, look, they just printed it out and make it $6.99. But I'm going to Google it because I'm kind of like disappointed. But overall, it's pretty. We're going to go this route because of this, because of those. So our theme for the kitchen is going to be wood and porcelain. So yeah, so we'll show you around what's going on, what's happening here in the kitchen and then in the house. So those are the unboxings that you're gonna see. And then yeah, so I have more goodies from IKEA. Of course, I'm going to show it to you later in a different video. But yeah, for the meantime, this is going to be the coffee slash flour slash sugar slash tea containers that we're going to have. Do you like it or not? Let me know, comment below. And then do you feel that I got ripped off, or should it be like a price of one because it's together anyways? When I saw it, it's inside, and then I was looking around it, there's no price or anything, so it's kind of like bizarre. But what do you think? I need your opinion. Let me know, comment below, and then we'll talk about it.